I'm Kristen, the property manager of the Willows. Hannah's gonna take you through one of our floor plans. If you have any questions, we're glad to help. Enjoy.
Thank you, Kristen. Welcome to the center. This is one of our most popular 2-bed, 2-baths. You guys are gonna love this space. Right when you walk in here, you have this spacious living area, great for entertaining. You can do so much with furniture in here. You've got a wood-burning fireplace, a glass sliding door that takes you right out to your balcony. And did I mention how open this space is? You flow right into your dining area, which brings you into your kitchen. And who wouldn't love this kitchen? You've got a wraparound bar, quartz countertops, glass tile backsplash, a huge undermount sink, GE appliances, and all of the cabinets and the drawers here are quiet close. How cool is that? Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now, what's cool about this master is you have a bathroom that's practically the same size as the bedroom. You've got a stylish vanity, a walk-in shower, a huge customizable closet. There's just so much room. Now, let's check out the last bedroom. All right, bedroom 2. You have your bathroom right across the hall, but what's unique about this bedroom is definitely the closet. Look at all the room in here. I mean, if this was my space, I'd put my dresses here, my pantsuits here, my coats, my blouses, all my shoes. There's room for everything. Now, through here, you have your washer and dryer. Right off the closet, so convenient. And that's a quick look at our 2-bed, 2-bath. If you're looking to call this place your next home, call our leasing team. We'd love to have you.